How to create this gradient effect in Pixellab. I know you've probably seen this in one design and you're like, how do I make this? Well, this video is here to help. I've used it in quite a number of designs. Sorry about that. Quite a number of these. There you go. I've used it in quite a number of designs and this is really helpful. It really gives your design a professional and sharp look. So let's go create it. All you need to do is import a shape. Square. Now there are many procedures that people do their own different ways, but this is how I do mine. You just go over to gradients and then you click on this plus icon if you don't have the gradient already. This is it, but I'm going to show you how to make it. Click on the plus icon so that I can show you. Let me use something else. Okay, this might be how your own will be. Click here and then click on the first one and then click here. Now I'm just going to drag this third one to the left so that you drag it all the way to the left so it will become transparent. And then the next one is going to be white, so just make sure it's white, make sure it's not transparent. That's it. You can bring it here to closer depending on how you want it, but I'm going to leave it here. And then that's how you make it basically. Now you can see that it's not actually disappearing, so I can just copy it, many of it, and then put. And then you can see now if I take all of them to the back and put her in front, you'll see. Put her behind it. You will see that the bottom disappears into the background. So that's basically how to do it. So guys, if you know this video was helpful, I know it was helpful, hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel. Hit on the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share to someone who might need it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.